How to add Jello animation in Wix Studio. So in order to add a Jello animation, what we can do is we can head over and then just select a text, an image, or a button. For this case, I'll showcase with an image. Once you have clicked onto that image, click onto this open inspector that we can see on our upper right corner. Now expand in here the loop and click onto this add option. From in there, we have the Jello. So click on it and then it should be applied to this particular image. Now, from in there, here is a preview of how that will look like. You can also adjust the animation by clicking onto this adjust. You can adjust the intensity, the duration, as well as the repeat delay. I'll choose 0.2 for the intensity, and for the duration, I'll choose and increase it to around 3 seconds. So from in there, you can click on preview in order to see how that will actually appear. So that's how you add Jello animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.